Discover yourself with the power of breath.
I'm first time at Ela Excellence Hotel, and this is the first time I have ever heard about breath therapy. When you just focus on breathing for half an hour or almost an hour, your body starts to react in a very unexpected way. And well, of course, it doesn't scare you, but it's something weird because your body you start feeling a little bit tingling, feeling your hands, your feet. It feels a little bit, it feels a little bit specific. It's something new, but the most beautiful part of it is that your mind lets something go. And after the session, what I really liked the most is that after the session I was smiling. I don't know why. I didn't know the reason. I just opened my eyes and I realized that I'm smiling, and I cannot stop smiling. It's just the smile that's on my face. And I think this is because of relaxation. I think this is just because the tension, the physical and mental tension, it just disappeared. So I could recommend this session to anybody.
We want to be with you in this breath therapy journey.